The Nakisa AI Assistant in the Product Center helps you get quick answers about Nakisa products without leaving the application. Here's how to use it. Open the Product Center. The AI Assistant appears collapsed on the sidebar on the right. You have the option of repositioning it vertically or moving it to the other side of the screen. Click AI Assistant in the sidebar to start a conversation and expand the chat. In this chat, you can ask about our Nakisa products. Type a question, such as, "Tell me about lease events in Nakisa lease accounting," to get information about a specific product. The full response appears in the chat, including clickable source references. If there's too much information to fit in the chat, click Maximize to expand the chat box for a clearer view. You can ask follow-up questions at any time to get more details, such as, "How do I perform an indexation event?" After reviewing the content, click Restore to return the chat box to its previous size. To ask about a different product, first click Reset to clear the current conversation. Click Reset Chat in the confirmation pop-up. Now enter a question about another product. For example, how do I create an org chart view? You can continue asking follow-up questions as needed. Once you navigate to a specific product, the assistant will provide responses tailored to that product for a more focused experience.